Hello everybody, today we make a shrimp scallops scampi. Look at this nice scallops I got over here. I was washed really good and make sure to dry. And the shrimp, I left the little tail, but see no one leave the little tail, you can take it out. Now the first thing we gotta do, we gotta go on the stove and we gotta make the scampi sauce. And we put a little bit of the oil, not too much. And we start to do with the garlic. And I like to have a lot of garlic for the scampi sauce. You got the shrimp and the scallops, it tastes really, really good. And let's do with the garlic. Okay, now we gotta put butter. And now we warm up really good everything. The butter gotta melt and the oil hot and the garlic. Now the butter, it's all melted down, and now we put a little flake of hot pepper to give a little spice. This is all yeah baby. Okay, everything now this like that. And make sure to not burn the garlic. The garlic it gotta be not too brown, nothing. It gotta be nice white the garlic. Okay, now it's a time to pour wine. And we got lemon. And we leave cook now this together. Okay, now this is ready, and now we bring at the table to prepare the shrimp and the scallops. And we bring it right over here. Look how nice it looks. And the smell is so delicious when this I eat a nice glass of wine. It's really good. Now we got the breadcrumb over here. I buy all the time plain breadcrumb. A lot of time I make it by myself. This is the parsley. And we put parsley on the breadcrumb and we give a little mix like this. Okay, now we take the breadcrumb and we bring it right over here like that. Okay, now first thing I like to pour a little drop juice on the bottom of the shell. This shell is the scallops shell. Alright, now we start with the scallops and we put breadcrumb, nice, all the way around, and we put this right over here in the middle. And we do all four the same thing, like that. Okay, I don't want to do one by one. I put the dish of the breadcrumb over here. I take the shrimp and I put all together inside the breadcrumb. And after you mix everything like that, look at that. And after you take one by one and you put it right over here like this. Look at that. Ain't it look beautiful? Okay, now it's time to pour the scampi sauce on the shrimp and the scallops right on the top like that. Okay, we gotta use all this, everything. Now, what you gotta do, I got the oven on 400 degrees. But I need a little water on the pots over here. Okay, and now let's go on the stove. Let's put it in the oven. Like I said, it's 400 degrees. And look how beautiful it look. Nice. Okay. After be ready, we gotta eat. Okay, now it's about 15 minutes and let's see my shrimp and scallops. Okay, it got a nice beautiful color. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's bring on the table. I want to taste. Now, let me take one. Okay. Okay, now let's start with the shrimp. Let's see. See, I left the tail. Nice crunchy. Dip the bread. Nice. Cook good. And the scallops. Little bread, that's why I put a lot of butter, everything, and wine. Really good. It melted in my mouth with the wine too. Chin chin, salute, and we see next time. Chin chin, salute. This dish you make, let me know, it's delicious. Thank you.